The dog hears something. What was that, Bongo? This kid's on the way to school, Bongo. That's Bongo. He's vicious. Totally vicious. So there's what I got on my living room wall. Turn the light on. I don't think this thing records very well without light. Yeah, there's my living room wall. I believe we still have a lot of guys missing in action. I don't think we're trying very hard to find them. This, of course, is a country in distress. Check my omelets, melting the cheese on them. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking good. It's just a large omelet cut in half. It's fat. Fried potatoes and a Fiesta blend cheese. That's it, no meat. I can't even eat meat anymore. Gotten totally to where I can't eat it. So I guess I'm vegging out. It's going to be hard. I've lost about 15 pounds in the last 8 days. I don't know if I can think anymore. Where did I put my darn spatula? Good grief. Yeah, it's a beautiful day here. About 70 degrees, 7:45 a.m. Thought I'd just make a little video of me. And how the weather is here in sunny Chemtrail City, Phoenix, Arizona. Actually, the weather is absolutely beautiful. There's not a cloud in the sky. Not a chemtrail in the sky. Absolutely beautiful. There you go. We just did a 360. Not a cloud in the sky. There's no chemtrails. They still got a lot of time though. They could be having breakfast right now. Well, I just thought I'd make a short video, let everyone know that yes, I'm still alive. So I'm going to get myself a fork and eat this thing. And I'll catch up with everyone a little later. This is OSA. I'm gone.